7-Eleven employee was hospitalized after being shot just after 1 on Thursday afternoon. The victim was able to communicate with authorities on scene.
They were alert and talking to us before they were transported to the hospital.
A woman nearby says she helped him before first responders arrived.
I went in the store immediately and applied pressure to the back of his neck.
Police asked people to be on the lookout for the suspected shooter driving a black Mustang and released photos of him. Not too long after, a second shooting was reported, this time in San Luis Obispo.
Go. Back up right now. It's not safe, Gabe.
Confirming Room Ranch.
Back up.
Marsh. The King 4, where you guys meet us? Room Ranch, and what's the call? On Room Ranch.
I need you to back up. I'm backing up.
From your route we dropped. Copy. King 1, we're going to get in front of them. Adam 21, trying to construct the way.
Adam 21, affirmative.
Look at this undercover dude just pops out of a van.
Go to red.
Just pops out of a van and throws on a vest, dude. Crazy.
We'll attempt. We're communicating with them now.
When that's a firm, I can be route to log 119, just advise where I'm needed.
Alright, so it's happening. It's going down right at the corner over here, guys. This person, multiple scenes, started in Grover, shots fired at 7-Eleven, went to Templeton, or Napomo, I mean. Did something over there, and now he's in Slo. Shots fired at Panda Express. They chased him down to this location. That's the Mustang. That's the Mustang right there in front of that house. There we go. Oh, here they go.
Hey, that's my house. There's nobody in there. There's nobody in there. Yeah.
So that's his driveway. Wow. Dude's house is in there.
Clear the back of the Mustang. The original witness body minus in the back of the Mustang. In addition to the suspect, young
Can you back up or get behind this car?
I'll get behind this car.
There could be a guy with the gun inside, okay?
Yep. They're busting out the tape. They're busting out the tape. Go ahead.
It's a safety hazard. He has a gun,
So I'm gonna have you move back there.
I just want to state all my prized possessions.
Okay, sir, I need you to listen to me. I need you to move your car back there.
there's 100 cops here.
Please,
Your safety is paramount.
guys go in.
So
Just please take care of my house.
your life is more important than your stuff.
Yeah.
Where are you guys gonna put tape up?
It's a safety hazard.
No, where? So I can stay behind it.
Well, when we get it set up, we'll keep pushing you back.
Lincoln 2. Minute copy, 70 at 13 minutes.
Dude, what's going on?
We have dude. barricaded over here.
in this house.
No. This is my friend. We're good.
Copy now.
We're out of sight, man. We can't even see shit. We can't even see anything.
I can't hear you.
We can't see anything. There's a big wall blocking us.
Safety is more important than you like videoing this. I need you to move.
Okay, you gotta move, dude.
You cool?
Yeah, thanks, man.
Big wall right here. I can't even see past it. I'm behind a giant wall and these guys are freaking out, dude.
I know you're fine. You just step back to that house. So
Yeah, the guy gave me permission to be here. This is his property. I'm behind this wall. I'm staying behind the wall.
As long as he gave you.
Yep. Oh, here comes more officers coming. Holy shit. A big line of them with shields. Damn, that's like 10 officers right there. Just rolled up. Oh, here we go. They're doing something, guys. They're doing something. They're coming out.